It's time, once again, ladies and germs, for that scrapbooker extraordinaire. The one, the only. Terry, the lady who hates mice, Rice.
Good morning, everyone. Yep, the hubby's home, so then you got to deal with him almost as much as me. Okay, I'm doing a layout share today, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the collection obsession that I'm tearing down. And so first of all, I did this chili mix for my recipe book, and this is a canning one. And then I did Skylar helping me. And then I did this 4 generations of my grandma, my mother, me, and my oldest daughter. And this was using the collection obsession. So I'm going to put that to one side because I'm going to kind of go over those. And then this is Alex. She was at the rink doing school, and she had actually just came from gymnastics. So she actually had 3 things going on that day and homework. I was thinking she just had 2. And then this is where she, they did an ice skating routine. Everybody did they had all these different things. And theirs was the Boogie Woogie Boogie Boy of Company B. And then she has another one too that I'll be doing eventually. I love that. And that's when I realized I needed some more 4th of July paper or patriotic paper. And then I did this double page layout. Oh, and I did not leave myself enough room to show this here because I got all my stuff from my collection obsession. Let's see if I can make room here. Okay, so I've got Skylar, and her mom went to Florida, and so this is some pictures that she took the first day that they got there, I think it was. I love how this turned out. And you know, I love Mente papers, and it's with the Mente papers. And then I did this where I had it was after a tornado last year. I couldn't remember when it was from, but it was from last year. And one of the robin's eggs had fallen onto the ground, so I took a picture of that. It was a rough day for the people, the birds, and the butterflies, because we seen a butterfly that really had a badly broken wing too. And then this one here, I did 2 of these, one for each granddaughter. And it's their mom and dad dancing at a wedding, and I just thought it was so cute. I don't know what Brenda was doing, but Tegan's just looking lovingly up at her parents. So I thought that was so cute. And that was with the collection obsession. So I actually got 5 layouts with that. Okay, and this is Skylar, and I need to put a card here of, you know, just talking about how we went over to the outlet mall and just hanging out with Grandpa. And then I hadn't done any pictures of Aiden lately, so I figured I better get one of him in this month. And so I've got him when he was playing soccer, and this was probably before they moved back here from Washington, because they was living in the state of Washington. So I'm glad that they're back here, and this would have been probably 2019. And then I have Tegan, and she had, I asked her what she was doing. I said, were you on your way to school? And she goes, I don't know. But I know she was showing off this little dress of hers, and it was actually her mom's, and she had given it to her, and she liked it. I thought it looked really cute on her. So this is with the collection obsession too. And then this one here of my oldest granddaughter and her mom. And so it's my oldest daughter and my oldest grand. And I just thought this was so cute, so I had to have it for her book. And so that's the fourth actual different design, but I actually did 5 layouts. And then I did this one here for Ginger's celebration. And so this is another one for my my recipe book. I was gonna say for my scrapbook. Yes, it's for my recipe scrapbook. Okay, so now I'm just gonna show you what I have left here. So I did 5 layouts, and I can see I didn't glue that one down. And so I actually have 5 layouts from this collection. Now, I kind of found it hard to use, even though I really love all the ones I did. But, so I am actually going to break it down now. I had a lot of pieces in here that weren't actually from the actual collection, but that I put in here that I thought I could use, because it's my goal to use things that I have not used for years. So it's like I'm bringing in, you know, different things. Well, these were like die cuts that I made this year, or I might have made them last year. I think it was this year. I have no idea. And then some of these things that I've picked up at Tuesday morning, or these Tim Holtz words. So I'm just putting these kind of things back where they were. My counterfeit 49 and Market ephemera. So I'll be putting those back where they go. And I have these, it's called My Sweet, and it's from Prima. I didn't use any of these. I think I might have used something out of here, and I did use some of the lacy things I cut out. I think I used a few, I know I used some brads, but I don't know if I used those ones. I didn't use any of these things that I brought along for the ride, or any of the pink fresh things that I also brought along. And I know I used maybe a couple of, I might have used something from here and something from here. And I didn't use any of these. And I don't think I used anything out of here. I'm gonna just check real quick. No, I did not. I used different letters. I used some lace. I think I used kind of the similar lace. Yeah, I don't think I used any of the extra stuff. Okay. I just really used this kit. But, so I got these cut aparts that I, well, these things that I cut apart, the note cards, and then I cut apart half a sheet of the butterflies. So I will just put them in with some embellishments, or, you know, with my embellishments. And the same way with these, I'm gonna put them in, well, I'll just kind of keep them together, because I'll try, well, I'll write out, well, actually I have back here that they went to this collection. But I'm actually gonna break up the collection, and I'll put the letters in with my other letters. I'm gonna put the scraps in with my scraps. I think it's really pretty paper. I just had a hard time using it together. And, or just with itself. So I think I need to have other things with it. And I will put this in just with my other chipboard stuff. And I'll tell you, this thing did not want to stay together. It's like all the pieces want to just come out. So I'll put that with my other chipboard things. And then these here, actually saved the cover, but now I can get rid of that. These here I will put, I don't know, I might just cut them up, but I'll probably keep them with the other, yeah, I'll just cut them up and put them with the other ephemera papers. And these, I'm just gonna separate them into color section, and I'll put this probably in flowers. I'm gonna put this in with wood, and I'll put this with flowers. I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of separate them now because I am gonna put them in with different things. I'll put this in with ledger paper. I'll cut these apart. Oh, I do have another piece that I had started to cut apart. So I'm gonna cut those apart and put them with my ephemera. Or yeah, some of this, you know, some of those things I sometimes just put them on the shelf to be cut apart, but I don't actually cut them apart right away. And this I will put, I don't know, because I don't really have a, I'll just put it in like a color section for like multicolors. And these, I'll probably put these in a floral section, or maybe I'll put them in with home. And these I will put in a floral section. And this I'm gonna put in color section, so it's gonna be in pink. And this I'm gonna put in a color section. I'm gonna put it in gold because it looks more gold to me than anything else. And again, this one goes in with the green. This is going to go in with the green, and this is maybe a little turquoise. Maybe I'll put it kind of in a turquoise section, which this one, yeah, see, this looks green, this looks turquoise, because it does not look blue, because I kept trying to pull it in with the blue when I was working on it. Nope, it's not blue. Okay, so I'm gonna put that in with turquoise. And then again with the ledger. Now it says travel, but I'm still gonna put it in with ledger. And where did I've already lost that. Oh, it's under here. And this I'll put in with flowers. Or actually I'm gonna put this in with, is it more gold or tan? Where's my gold? Okay, it looks more tan, so I think I'm gonna put that in with tan, because whenever I have a pattern that is mostly one color, or like this, well, it's got the background, but it's mostly tan, so then I'm gonna put it in with tan. Again, this goes with flowers. Because I like to have a color section and I don't have much of one, so this will also help build that. And this is going to go in with like the coral section. And this is kind of rainbow, but I put my butterflies in with floral. And this is going to be in my multicolor area. Or I could put it in stripes. Do I have a multicolor area? I don't even know, so it might have to go in stripes because I'm not even sure. I guess I need to have my list of my sections. Okay, here's another pink. This one here, I'm gonna put that in with tans. This one will definitely go in with the floral, and where do I have that? Because I know I have another one. I was thinking I used that, but did I? Oh, maybe it just looks similar. No, that's the one I didn't even use one of those. Okay, I kept trying. And here's another floral. See, this looked too much like it should have been on the grandma page or something. So it just looked way too old-fashioned. And then I'm gonna put this in with corals. So that's what I'm doing with those. I will just leave these embellishments with the other with other embellishments I have, just kind of grouped together. And because if I pull out these, maybe I want to use some of these. And I do have, what it's called, because hopefully I'll remember, that I have embellishments that actually work with these. So that's it for today. I just wanted to, because usually I leave my kits together because it's like I feel like I can make more out of it. But I'm thinking I would rather pull, because like didn't feel like this went with anything. And so I'd rather just be able to pull the things that I have left together with something else and use it that way. So that's it for today. And actually, I will have a layout today too. So I will just see you later. Or actually, this might be after my layout. So I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.